eastbound bridge medium.
East 2, clear, south WB, N785-28.
Put in for the transfer? No, not yet. Might have to.
East 2, clear, south WB, N785-28.
7 times 3 and 18. Got it.
That's right.
Oh, it's just me. How you doing, doing okay? Ready to fall asleep?
Q371, 30 wind rate of 982, westbound, 1 to 1, medium clear, clear off. Alright, Mr. Horn, train look good, marker hanging. Alright, I think we'll let you know your engineer's dead flat with that. Yeah, it was like that whenever we got out of Thursday.
What's that, Matt?
That's a perfect way to start the day, watching the train before going to run the train.
I mean, we could throw you into that train.
No.
Give you concussion. Might be missing a hand while you're at
They'd
it.
probably decapitate you if you threw it.
Nah, if I time it just right, you'll be fine.
No!
But then again, I've been up for almost 24 hours, so I'm probably not going to time it right.
Yeah, knowing you.
Fuck it.
371, look good south side, Mark Trail picture. Thanks, Mr. Horn, take it easy.
Oh yeah, the Santa train's gonna have double it's gonna be a double header this year, I think, at Walkersville.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna have 8 or 10 cars. It's gonna be the largest trains we run.
Wow.
Yeah. It's gonna be the 245 tonners and the 244 tonners or something. One of them has like an Amtrak CSX N785-28.
Nice.
I think it was Amtrak. I think one of them has an SK3LA.
I gotta go there one of these days. I just don't know when yet.
One of the best places to go is Nocasee Boulevard. And it's only about a 20-minute drive up from Point of Rocks. You can just go straight up 15, and then the parking ride's right off the highway there. So it's like right next to it, and it'll be right by the tracks.
What do we got? 34, 35, 3102.
Yep.